Hi everyone, my name is Tammy, and in this Glucofort review, I'm going to tell you all about this powerful supplement that helps you control your blood sugar levels. First of all, I will be leaving down below in the description of this video or in the first comment the official website for the purchase of Glucofort. I always say that it's very important for you to purchase the products from the official website to avoid scams. Buying from the official website, you have the guarantee that you're buying an original product, and with it you can get all the benefits that I'm going to list in this review. Also, you get the guarantee on the product by the producer. So here's my review on Glucofort. So forget everything you tried to control your high blood sugar levels and haven't had any results, because what I'm going to introduce to you right now is an all-natural and definitive solution. Using Glucofort correctly, your blood sugar levels will definitely be controlled. But what is Glucofort? Glucofort is a blood sugar control supplement that helps consumers reduce the amount of glucose in their bloodstream naturally. The remedy includes a proprietary blend providing specific herbs and extracts to control these levels without insulin. Glucofort was developed to promote healthy blood sugar levels. It also helps the body efficiently metabolize nutrients and maintain consistent glucose levels. So how does Glucofort work? To help users maintain overall improvement in their health, they're introduced to many vitamins and minerals that the body needs. Vitamin C and vitamin E are a necessary part in this remedy. It also includes biotin, magnesium, zinc, manganese, and chromium. Is there a specific group to which Glucofort is limited? Not at all. Whether the person is in their 30s or in their 70s, this remedy is made to work for all people. It was created by a medical expert and is incredibly effective and gentle on anyone's body. Is Glucofort safe to the body? Absolutely. The formula is 100% natural, providing users with the safe, easy, and effective ingredients for the body. So what is the preferred number of bottles of Glucofort to order? While the decision is up to the users, the creators recommend taking at least 3 months of the Glucofort to see the complete change in your body. It gives time for the remedy to clear any imbalances while improving your overall health. So how long does it take for you to receive Glucofort? Buying through the official website, users in the United States will receive the product within 7 business days. If you purchase from outside the United States, you'll receive it within 15 business days. So how do you consume Glucofort? You just take 1 capsule a day to help with your high blood sugar levels, and that's enough. Now remember that I told you to watch until the end because I had an important warning for you, so here it is. Unfortunately, with the success of Glucofort, there has been a lot of fake websites trying to sell the counterfeit product. For this reason, I want to emphasize the importance of ordering Glucofort from the original website that I will be leaving in the description of this video. On the official website, you will have the guarantees on the product and includes refunds if you believe that the product didn't work for you. So I hope this review helped you and cleared any doubt about the Glucofort product, and make sure to buy from the official website listed down below. So click on the link in the description of this video and place your order today. That's going to be the end of this review. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you next time.